Hi, Richard here from Irish Pens. I see you stopped by our clicker pen. So I made a short video to show you what the clicker pen looks like in the flesh as such, rather than just using the still photographs. The heart of the pen, of course, is the beautiful Irish bog oak wood that we've used. This wood is older than the pyramids. Stunningly dark wood, very, very attractive wood. Now, we've set that against a very bright chrome because obviously we wanted to make the oak pop out, because again, for us, it's always about the wood. That's what's important for us here at Irish Pens. So we've set against the very bright chrome. That's your clicker button at the top, which clicks the pen, and out then pops at the other end, obviously, a ballpoint refill. These refills can be purchased in any stationery store. Beautiful refill that we use is a Swiss refill, but you can buy them in any stationery store. Now, if you decide you want to get the pen engraved, we normally engrave this section here, just at the top of the pen, at the cap. And if you want that to happen, just when you're selecting the pen, press yes to engraving, then click on add to cart. And when you do that, a little window will just pop out the side of the screen, and into that you type the text you want for your engraving, and we look after the rest for you. So, a creative gift for a creative mind, they say. I think this is what this pen is. It's classic and it's beautiful, and really a gift that will be remembered for a long, long time. So thank you for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions or queries about the pen, please drop us an email, send us a text, give me a phone call. We just love to chat with our clients. So thanks very much for taking the time to watch this. Bye for now.